Start. Will have you started?
Yeah, Manoj.
Hmm. So guys, this is the first question. Actually, see guys, next time I have made this paper actually a little bit tough actually. Not tough, actually time taking. Because guys, in reading the question, basically, it is
2 minutes.
taking more than 1 minute actually. So guys, understand the question, guys, and give me 30 minutes, guys. That time, guys, I don't want any disturbance. Your attention should be here on 100%. And I will not repeat more than once as well. If I'm asking something, so I want immediate answer. Yes, sir. So keep these two things in mind actually. Hmm. Repeat the first question. This get the question.
A water tank has a series of steps arranged vertically inside it.
Hmm.
A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, which is
Hmm.
numbered as a step 1. Water level is at step 9. A monkey
Hmm.
follows a fixed pattern of movement. While going
Hmm.
down, monkey jumps 3 steps downward, then slip
Hmm.
back to 2 steps upward in each move. This
Hmm.
process continues until the monkey reaches the water level. Let the total number
Hmm.
of jumps taken by it is 3. After drinking water,
Hmm.
the monkey starts climbing back to the top. In this case, it jumps 4 steps upward and slips back 2 steps
Hmm.
downward. In each move, this process continues until the monkey reaches to the topmost step. Let the
Hmm.
total number of jumps be q.
Hmm.
Then
So tell PL
vary.
first demand. Tell PL demand first.
See,
What question?
there are steps, and the monkey is sitting on the topmost step.
Hmm.
You can consider at 1, and the water level is 9. The monkey goes down first 3 steps, then goes
Hmm.
upward 2 steps. Like this,
Hmm.
monkey reaches to the step 9. Then,
Hmm.
while going back, monkey takes 2 step downward and 4 step
Hmm.
upward. Total 2 steps
So,
monkey takes
hmm. So
and
see,
reaches.
guys, actually in this question, guys, this is a typical reasoning question, guys. This is not maths question. And guys,
Hmm.
this is question, guys. You know what? Here UPSC checking that, yeah, how much you are attentive basically while doing the examination. Let me tell you, guys. There is a nothing, guys, in this question. What question is saying? Let me tell you. Guys, listen carefully. See what question is saying. Basically, wait. Yes. Suppose that this is a tank, and the monkey is sitting here somewhere, and there are 9 steps, guys. Right? There
Hmm.
are 9 steps, and he's sitting here basically, and he wants to come here and to drink the water basically. Okay, this is the situation. Now first statement is saying he jumps 3 steps from up to down, but due to some reason he's 2 step going back. So it means at in one time he's going actually 1 step only, guys.
Hmm.
Actually, he's going 3 steps, but 2 steps he
Upward.
backfire actually.
Hmm.
Yes. So guys, actually in one time so he's going only 1 step, guys. So guys, now there are total 9 steps. So
9
guys,
times.
1 steps, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, 6 steps. Guys, now after 6 steps, guys, when he will take 3 jumps, he will reach outside basically. It means only 6 is needed, guys. Some
No,
people say 9
don't
here.
don't you think? Yeah, Manish. Don't you think after 6 step, 3 step more he will take? But after 3 step, immediately after he will take na 2 upwards. So it will be only 7 steps. Then 8, 9. He will need na 9.
See, Priyal, if he is in step, only then he will be upward. Na? See, when he is in seat, see, at one jump, he is making 3 steps. So when he's sitting at number 6, so
Hmm.
he will make 3 jumps. So he will be out, na? He will be out, na?
He will not go
This is,
upward.
this is what examiner is checking, na?
Ground,
This,
when it will reach
hmm,
ground, their answer
ground.
will
Got
be
it.
there.
Got
And,
It
and guys,
touched
see,
it, and otherwise
and,
he can.
and guys, see the options. Basically, there's no option, guys,
it. 6.
which is basically p equal to 6. So only none is the answer. There is no need to check second number, guys. But you know what? Some people do not use their brain and they will check second also. Check, waste your time. So guys, CSAT is all about time management. How smart you are actually, how intelligent you are. This is what CSAT actually about. Hmm. Now people were saying paper was tough. Hai. I mean, this is not tough, yaar. Just use common sense. Read this question, poor girl. Number 9.
Consider all integers from 1 to 1000, inclusive, written out in a list.
Hmm. Read.
The digit 0 is printed exactly 192 times. The
Hmm.
digit 5 is printed exactly 300 times.
Hmm. And here
The total number of times the digit 1 is printed is greater than total number of times the digit 2 is
two is
printed.
printed. Hmm. Then four.
If we only consider numbers from 1 to 99,
Hmm.
every digit from 1 to 9 appears exactly 20 times.
Hmm. Now tell guys how much time you will take to solve this question. Tell honestly, without solving. Tell. They have given the number from 1 to 1000 guys. Now you have to check how many times 0 will appear, how many times 1 will appear, how many times 5 will appear, how many times 2 will appear, and then have to total count guys. You know what? If you do this method guys by manually actually, right? What you guys generally follow na, that is not entertained here basically. Let me tell you. Hmm. Real tell, how will you solve this question? You know?
See,
Because guys,
Manish, we can take na
tell.
1 to 100, how many zero?
Numbers, you
Like
told
this,
na 20 will be repeated, but one number is
21.
plus 1.
21 will be. Next
Hmm.
Plus
from 20,
Okay,
100 to
okay,
100.
so guys, I'm solving. You guys say that what approach you guys would have followed. Now see, guys, question is giving one. Guys, listen carefully because here I will tell you some smart approach as well. Guys, here 1 to 1000. Okay, fine, no problem. Now see, guys, in 1 to 1000, guys, there will be different kind of digits basically. 0, 1, then 1 to 9. All right. So guys, now use common sense. You know what? Use common sense. See, guys, you start from the unit digit, guys. So, guys, tell me 1 to 9. How many digit total?
9.
9 digit. 10 to 99. How many numbers? 90 number.
90.
So 2, so 180 digit. Total
90.
189 digit. And this is only till 99 only. Now I will start from 100 to 99. So guys, here, total tell me how many numbers, guys, here?
90, 100, 180,
numbers is
1800,
199 minus 100. 899.
Tell.
899,
899.
I'm asking number, guys. Number. Hmm.
1800.
Number means digits your number I'm telling Manoj. See, 999 minus 100 we can write.
So what you're telling?
899.
899.
And you multiply by 3. Tell the result.
27. 27.
24, 24, 26,
26.
2697.
26. Hmm.
How much?
2697.
2697.
2697.
Manish, tell me
Hmm.
one thing. Why you did 90 into 2?
CPL. 10 to
Two
90. Tell
digit
how many
number
numbers
there.
are there.
Two digit number.
10 to
Hmm.
99, 90 digits.
Hmm. So
Then
guys, here it will also be actually 900, guys. Not what you guys are saying. This
why?
is. You guys can count. Because you guys are not including 100 guys here. 100 is also not 3 digits. You guys are counting from 101 actually. That's why it is coming 899 guys. But it will come. See guys. Now
900.
take
Okay.
take here example. 10 to 99. Generally
18,
the 80, 89.
um,
But I have taken 90 because guys you are not,
100.
you see guys. Hey, see guys. These kind of things guys you have to actually pay attention guys. If you commit guys these mistakes guys, so guys there's nothing actually. This is what you needed actually. So total 2700 guys, right? So tell total digit 2889.
89.
Any
2889.
doubt here, guys? No doubt. Now listen, guys. Here, this is guys I have solved by myself actually, right? Now let's see what question is saying. The first, the digit 0 is printed exactly 192 times. Now, guys, use common sense actually. Now use common sense actually, guys. Zero can appear when, guys. I'm taking simple example. Tell me between 100. Tell me how many zero will be there
21, 20,
between
22.
1 to 100.
22,
Very
200.
good.
No,
Poor
21.
no,
girl.
no, no. Wait,
29 real.
wait.
See, first
10,
1 to 9, there is no zero. So
10
only
to
20,
10 to 100 first
99
count.
plus 2, 21.
9,
Poor girl.
11.
11.
1, 10
Why?
to 10. Wait, I will type
Double
10 to
zero, not
100.
zero.
I'm
Uh,
asking zero. See, now this
Okay.
kind of mistake, guys, people make actually in the
11.
examination. All. Hmm. This kind of mistake, guys, actually people make. So now listen, guys, and now tell, guys, between 1 to 100, one will appear how many times? Hello,
22.
21 time. 21 minutes.
21, and 2 to 9,
Total
20
20.
times.
20.
So, guys, if you know this much, guys, now this question is very easy, guys. Yes. So, guys, basically from 2 to 9, any digit is appearing how many times? 20
2.
times.
Oh,
So tell
20.
me from 1 to 1000, that will appear how many times? 300 times.
300.
You can count.
Wait, 20. Uh,
1 to 100.
1 to 1000. He's saying
1 to
300.
1000 total of
Uh,
300
Any
times.
digit from 2 to 9 will appear 300
Yeah,
times, na?
300 times, guys, this is common sense. Because guys, you know what, one digit basically will appear 100 times, guys. For example, 500, so it will be 100 times. 400, 400 times. So that 100 will be added, so it will become 300 total, guys,
Mm.
basically. Okay, now, guys, so guys, total how many numbers are there? I mean 9 numbers. So it will become 2700. So, guys, total 2700, guys, without zero actually. And total how much I have count? 2889.
2889.
So 2889 and 2700. So total, guys, 189. 189 zero are there, guys, without 1000, because I have count only triple nine only.
999.
So now three zero add. So it will become 192. It means first is right actually. See, guys, this is how I counted actually. This was not difficult, guys. Should know actually how many zeros are there, how many ones are there. Now
Second
see,
is
guys,
also
the
right.
digit 5 appears. See, yes,
Yes.
second is also right. Guys, from 1 to 9, any digit till 99 will appear 300 times only, guys. You can write somewhere if you don't know.
Is
Now,
it any short form to solve this question? Sir?
no, Priyal, I don't like short form. There is a formula I have checked, but I don't like that formula actually. I like my common sense approach. Now see, guys, you are doing for the first time. No? That's why, guys, it is seem to be actually difficult. But you know what? If you see my approach, no? So that is not difficult actually. You revise it by yourself later on. Now the total number of times the digit one printed is greater than 2. Yes, guys, one will always be greater than 2, guys. Now Bhagya will tell the reason why.
The total number of times one is
21 is one time, 1
C.
is 21 times, and
Hmm.
2 to 9 will be 20 times. That's why 1 is greater than.
Tell again, Priyal.
See,
What are you
the
telling?
digit 1 is printed 21 times, and digit from 2 to 9 is printed 20 times.
So,
That's why
so, so
1 is
this is what
greater.
I'm saying. Now, how? Tell who, why one is greater? One. Tell how?
See, from we have
Because
read
in
1
the
to 100.
thousands, you have
Yes.
counted till
Yeah.
999 at
Because
1000.
yeah, because in 1000 one is also extra there, but no
Mm.
no digit from 2 to 9. That's why, guys. Yes. So this is right. Now, if we only consider number from 1 to 99, the every digit from 1 to 9 will appear there. Yes, this is also right. Because if I exclude 1000 or 100, so 1 to 9 will be equal number actually. 20 times only, guys. See, guys, how conceptually they have given this question, guys. All four are right actually, guys. So, guys, I will advise that you guys write this question in your notebook, and revise this again and again, guys. This is the best way because they have checked their concept, and all these four statements are very crucial. Tell.
Don't you you said na the number 2 to 9 is appearing 20 times, but 1 is
Hmm.
appearing 21 times. 1
Priyal,
to
that is,
99.
you know what? That is if I take from 1 to 100, Priyal.
1
But
to
what question is saying here?
99 you told.
No.
1 to
That is for
100.
1 to
Okay.
100, I told. If I am taking 1 to 100, guys, so 1 will always be greater than any digit, actually. Any digit. Then let me tell you. But if I take, guys, 1 to 99, so 1 to 9 will always be equal, actually, except 0. Because 0 has other case. Again, any doubt?
No, Manish.
Yeah, is there? Hmm.
Yeah, I'm
Read,
here.
read Priyal this question. Say number.
A question is given followed by two statements, 1 and 2. Question: working together can machines A, B, C complete specific tasks in less than 5 hours? Statement 1: machine A and B are working together and complete the task in 4 hours. Machine C is an
Hmm.
exterior machine that undoes the task at the same constant rate at which machine A completes it.
Hmm. Guys, this is again data sufficiency. Guys, tell guys this is very easy question. Guys, tell.
The question is here.
Priyal, tell the demand. What question is saying?
Say three machines are working together and complete the task in less than 5 hours.
Okay.
And in statement 1, machine A and B is given that they are working for together for 4 hours.
It means no. It means question is saying that in less than 5 hours can they complete or not? Right? This
Mm.
question is saying in
Mhm.
less than 5 hours all these three persons can complete the work or not. So guys, basically they are asking the time, and time equal to what,
Hmm.
guys? Work upon.
Workflow
Time.
efficiency.
It means I need two things, guys. So if I find two things, guys, only then I can find the answer, guys. Now the first machine A and machine
4
B
hours.
working together can complete the task in 4 hours. So guys, if A plus B equal to 4 hours time, so efficiency will be how much?
1 by
One by 4.
4.
But guys, what about work? What about no? So by one, how can I get the
Yeah.
answer? Yes. Now when you are reading the second option, find about the first one. Now read second. Machine is an extractor machine that undo the task at the same constant rate at which machine A completes it, basically. Real, tell the meaning of this. You English should be good here. Tell what
Same
does
machine
second
C
statement
is
say?
act
Hmm.
like a extractor machine means different from A and B. That
Hmm.
whatever task A and B has done it now, it has undone
Not A and B, Priyal, only A.
only A. It will undoes that task in the same rate that A has
Hmm.
completed the task.
Andaj means what do you mean andaj?
Undoes means what you did something and I will undo that thing. I will
Yeah,
reach into the
it's been
initial
reverse.
phase. Huh.
Yeah, it means you are writing A, so I am erasing
Bonus.
it. Erasing it. This is all. So
Hmm.
guys,
Initial
now
phase.
A plus B plus C equal to A is working, B is working, but C is
Minus A.
Okay.
negating, basically.
See.
So this will be the now A plus B plus C equal to B. So again, guys, I cannot get the answer because I don't know B efficiency, I don't know A efficiency. Even guys, if I combine both, I cannot get any answer because
Why
we,
A plus
we
B equals to B and B equals to 1 by 4, then we can take out now by combining.
real, but I don't know exact value of A and B. Now, how can I compare PL? Because there is only one equation, na? A plus B equal to 1 by 4. But here, A plus B plus C equal to B only. There should be a number, actually. See, guys, we have three variable PL, but even we do not have one equation. Sorry, we have only one equation, not even two equations. Guys, common sense. Guys, this is Manish logic. Write in your diary. Two equations, we definitely need two variable, guys. I mean, two variable, we need two equations. Three variable, three equations, guys. Only then we can find out the exact answer, guys. Otherwise, we cannot find out. This is a logic, guys. So that's what. See, guys, I am telling you to make you understand, guys. Here. Otherwise, you know what I would have done? I would have just read this question and just mark this none. Because I
Huh?
know, guys, time equal to work upon efficiency. Here nothing is given, nothing is given. How can I get the answer, guys? Because I have done a lot of practice, guys. Now that's why I understand. But you guys have not done. So that's why you guys will take the time, actually. This is actually what, guys. So guys, you watch this video again, guys, you will understand actually what I'm trying to say. Hmm. What is the next question? Where is the next question? Yes.
15.
Yeah, this is a reasoning question. I like this question. Read, Bhagya. 15.
In a group of 6 women, there are 4 dancers, 4 vocal musicians, 1 actress, and 3 violinists. Girija
Hmm.
and Vanaja are among the violinists, while
Hmm.
Jalaja and Shailaja do not know how to play on the violin.
Hmm.
Shailaja and Tanuja are among the dancers. Jalaja, Vanaja, Shailaja, Tanuja are all vocal musicians. 2 of them are also violinists. If Pooja is an actor, who among the following is both a dancer and a
Yes.
violinist?
Hmm. So guys, Priyal, you tell the demand first. What question is saying? Tell.
See, 4 are dancer, 4 are musician, and 1 actress
Hmm.
and 3 violinists. If
Hmm.
Girija and Venaja are the
Hmm.
violinist, okay. I mean,
Hmm.
only 2 left we have to take out. So
Hmm.
Jalaja and Shailaja is not a violinist, and
Okay. Okay.
Shailaja and Tanuja
Hmm.
are among the dancers.
Now listen, guys. You know what? One thing is confirmed here, guys. You know what? कि guys, only 6 women are there, but 4 dancers, four musicians, 1 actress, and 3 violinists. It means 4, 4, 8, 9, and 3, 12. It means, guys, there's a overlapping. It means one person is doing multiple work. Any doubt here? No
Mm-hmm.
doubt.
No.
This is confirmed, guys. Now here, guys, you know what? You have see, guys. This is very easy question, guys. I will solve it in front of you. But you know, guys, only one thing is needed, guys. Here, you know what? Very attentiveness. You should be very attentive in examination, guys. You know what? One of my friend has committed this question wrong. है ना? Right? I will tell you what he has committed wrong actually. But let's solve first. I will solve in front of you only. Wait. See. So guys, there are four category of people, na? So let's make a four category of people.
Why
One,
don't you,
sorry.
Manish, give us time to solve? We will solve it.
See, guys, you will solve. Then I have to already tell actually. So guys, I have sent this paper 3 days back. Now this should be your more responsibility. You should solve at home actually. How can I
Okay,
give you
okay,
time right
sorry,
now?
sorry, sorry.
Hmm. So guys, there are four kind of persons. Okay, and the first one is dancer. Second is musicians.
I will tell you. Then actress, 1 is actress and 3 is
Then
violinist.
actress. Then
Violinist.
violinist. All right.
Hmm.
Then first statement read Priyal. This Girija and
Vanija are among the violinists.
okay. So this is Girija and this is violin. Sorry, what is your name?
Vanaja.
Vanuja.
Vanaja.
GNB, right? GNB, that's it. And
G
SNT are
manager. Okay.
dancers.
Hmm. Then second,
Saluja and Tanuja is a dancer.
no. This here. While Jaleja and Saleja do not know how to play on the violin,
Huh.
it means
No, they are
Jaleja
not.
and Saleja do not know how to play the violin actually.
Huh.
So guys, see guys, why I'm writing this because this information will be useful guys later on. I will show you. Okay.
Then
Now what question is
Saluja and Tanuja are dancers.
Saluja and Tanuja are among the dancer. Okay. So Saluja and
Shailaja.
Tanuja are dancer.
Shailaja.
Okay.
Vanaja.
Tanuja na Tanuja. Okay.
Tanuja, Vanuja,
Okay. Then
Jala,
read further.
Jalaja, Vanuja, Saleja, Tanuja are vocal musicians.
Musician. Okay. So Jaleja. Then Banaja. See how difficult name UPSC has given.
G,
Sa-
B,
Yes.
S,
Shailaja.
Then T.
T.
They are all
Musician.
musician basically.
Huh.
And guys, they also two of them are also violinist guys. So now see guys. So this person is already
Violinist.
violinist. So
Huh.
guys, now J cannot be violinist because it's negative here. Yes cannot be. So only T will be common here. So T is again violinist. See guys, this is how
Violinist.
guys you have to pick up the answer. Any
Pooja.
doubt here?
Oh my God.
Vanaja.
But
Hmm.
Shona, question once we will see the demand, no? All are
Hmm.
violin and 2 of them are also violinists. If Pooja is
Violinists.
an actress, who among the following is
Hmm.
both a
It means
dancer
Pooja is
and
it means Pooja is confirmed as actress. Okay. So she has gone now.
hmm.
Now
Who
now
we have to take out
so
who are both dancers and
dancer as well as
violinists.
violinist. So
Uh,
so guys, he is a dancer. Basically, this is dancer. This is violinist. Till guys, the common
Tanuja.
Tanuja
Tanuja
only,
only.
that's it.
See, yes. See guys, how it is, but guys, attention is only required. Guys, don't commit any mistake, guys.
Then
This is the only
nowhere
thing what it
given
is.
Manish Tanuja is the violinist. Only it is given a Tanuja is a musician. So you keep
Hmm.
that musician in the violinist part. You consider that.
Because see, Priyal,
No,
out of
Priyal. Here one statement has given out of 4, 2 are the violinists. So
hmm,
already Vanaja is violinist. So
hmm,
Jalaja, Shailaja are not a violinist already
so who
mentioned.
can
So
be? He
remaining
can be only.
Tanuja is a
Hmm.
Hmm.
See, Priyal, this is derived which I have taken. Derivation,
hmm,
this is called derivation basically.
this
Got
is
it, got it.
derived not
Hmm.
I
from
got it.
information.
Hmm. Now read this question, Priyal.
A class in a
16.
college has 150 students, number 1 to 50, in which all of the
Hmm.
even numbered students are doing. We did this question, Manish.
We did this.
Hmm.
But if you
Yes,
So
want,
yes.
you
so
can tell
so
again.
Tell
so
Pawan.
so
Even.
you guys okay?
I asked him yesterday to tell again.
It will be 75. Then
See,
Hmm.
guys,
out of 7.
they have given number 150, right? And there are what even number, five number, and seven number, right? Yes. So, guys, the even number will divide into 75 times, right? Then five will divide to 30 times. Seven will divide 21 times, I think, right?
Huh.
Hmm.
Okay. So count it, guys. Total
Total will be 102, 106.
126,
Hmm.
right? Now, guys, there can be common. So two five common 10. So 10 will divide this into 15 times. Now now two seven common. So basically it is 14. So it will divide actually 10 times. Now five seven common, guys, 35. It will divide around four times. Now total count, guys.
5, 7 common. It will be 35, right?
Yes.
14 times.
So
35,
tell the guys, tell here how much it is
39.
29. Are you
Mm.
sure?
Yeah.
Manish,
You should write na 35 instead of 4, Manish.
No, Priyal. See, is it the number, Priyal? Na? What is the actually total dividend actually? See, 25 I have taken 10.
10,
So 150 if I divide by 10. So what is the result? 15.
15.
Oh,
So
got
result
it,
is
got
there actually. The result is there. So now, guys, and guys, I told you that day. Common between the two will be reduced always. So now reduce, guys.
97.
Minus 10. Minus 10.
97.
Hmm.
Now, guys, there can be common among all these three as well. So 2 5 ja 10, 70,
10,
and
70.
72 ja 140. It means
270.
2 will be added, guys. So it is 99, guys. So, guys, out of 140, 150, 99 9 are playing at least one game. So question is saying how much person playing nothing actually. So now 51.
51.
Hmm. So, guys, you take the lesson, guys, from this question actually. In future, if UPSC ask, you follow the same approach, guys, actually. Hmm. Read this question, Bhagya.
Consider the set of first 14 natural numbers. Three
Hmm.
numbers A, B, C are selected from this set. A more than 3, B more than 4, C. How many such distinct triplets are possible?
Hmm. See, I told you that, guys, but
Hmm.
for revision purpose, I'm telling again. Now, guys, listen carefully so that you guys could revise it. See, guys, question is saying, I think, A greater than 3B greater than A greater than 3B greater than 4C. Okay. Now I can take number 1 to 14 only. Okay, no problem. Let's solve. So, guys, tell Priyal what maximum value I can see.
C should be your either for
Maximum tell.
maximum. 4, Manish. 4
No,
plus the 60. They did 3, 3.
not three, man. You tell Bhagya.
2 real, 2.
Two only.
Because 3B is
Acha,
there,
it
na?
is greater, na? Okay, okay. I thought
Hmm.
not.
C is the smallest here, Priyal.
Okay, okay.
So how can I take three? See, if I
That
will
4C
three,
part
No,
should
no,
be
I got
small.
it, Manish. I thought it is
see,
greater one. I
no,
got
no, listen. If I will take C equal to 3, so it will become 12.
12.
Now take
12.
what should I take B equal to? If I will take B equal to 5, so it
Uh,
will give 15. But
15.
15 is not
Mhm.
not allowed here.
You
That's
will
why I
take
cannot
2.
take it. So C I can take maximum 2, guys. So guys, if I take C equal to 2, so B equal to I have take 3.
3.
So it will become 9 actually.
Mm.
And this will become 8.
8,
So now, guys, here it will become 10, 11, 12,
12, 13,
13,
14.
14. So this is 5.
5.
But guys, this is constant. And now here I can take B equal to 4 as well. So it will become 12. Now it will become 13 and 14. It means 2 is
14.
extra. So it is total 7, guys.
7.
Now C has gone. Now C equal to I can take 1 as well.
1.
So C equal to become 4, guys.
Hmm.
Now B equal to I can take minimum 2. So guys, if I take B equal to 2, so it will become 6. So here it can be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right?
Hmm.
So this is total 8. Now guys, if I now C is constant here. Now if I take B equal to 3,
B3.
so B equal to 3 means how much? 5 I
9.
got here. And B equal to 4 how much? 2 I got. So 2 again
2.
count. So 5 to 7, 7 and 8, 7, 15, 15, 7, 22. So you guys, this is the answer, guys. Now guys, you know what? Some people will solve this also. Guys, I known that B equal to 3, I've got here 5. So I've taken from here actually. So guys, this much attention is required, guys, in examination hall. Ki how much time you can save, guys, actually. This is the most important time. Important, guys. Hmm. Always remember these things. What, Priyal? Priyal, 3 or 4 questions are left, so we will do that then. Hmm. See, guys, yesterday we have done this question. Read this question, Priyal.
A question. Last year the annual revenue of company is $5 million. Did the
Hmm.
company annual revenue increase this year compared to the last year? If the first half
Hmm.
of the revenue increased by 25% compared to the same period last year, the second half
Hmm.
of the year the revenue decreased by 20% compared to the first half of the year, and the
Hmm.
total revenue of the first 6 months of this year was 3 million.
See, guys,
Sir,
question is saying,
again,
did
no?
the company annual revenue increase this year compared to the last year? So, guys, I should know what is the last year revenue actually, basically, right? So, guys, in first statement, what question has said, in the first half of this year, the revenue increased by 25%. So, it was X, it become 1.25X, suppose that. है ना?
Hmm.
But what is X? What is X? Because, see, because they have given $5 million, guys, complete year. But they're asking here, what? First half year. So how can I know what is first half year? So I cannot from get first statement. Now second thing, the total revenue of the first 6 months of this year is $3 million. Now guys, here they have given first 6 months, but in rupees, and they have given first 6 months in percentage. So again, I cannot find. Now if I combine both, guys, this is common sense, guys. I can get actually, because in one statement there is a percentage. I mean data, and one statement there is a absolute data actually. So we can find out the answer. This is common sense, guys. Now there is no need to arrange a bigger program. Read this question, Bhagya. It means question can be answered both statement there. Bhagya, read.
The question is given followed by statement. What is the value of the positive integer x? The HCF of x and 15 is 3.
3.
Hmm.
X is
See,
a
guys.
prime number and LCM.
Hmm.
X
Now
of
see, guys.
x and 20 is 60.
Now you know what? Here
A
some
part.
people will be, some part will be smart actually here. Basically, they will not use common sense, right? And they will get trapped actually. This seems to be easy, guy, but this is not that much easy. Like what you guys have done that day,
Yesterday.
basically. Hmm. So basically, guys, question is saying कि x and 15, SCF is 3, guys. So guys, if I will break 5, so it will become 3 and 5, right? So guys, what number I can take s equal to, so that SCF should be 3 actually. So you know what some people will think? 3. But guys, I can also take 6, 9, 12. I can take any multiple of 3, guys. The SCF will always be 3, guys. Let me tell you. Yes, this is common sense. Because SCF is, guys, highest common factor, guys. Highest common factor. Yes. So yes. So we have various possibility. So one is not sufficient. Now second. Now second. X is a prime number and LCM of X and 20 is 60, guys.
60.
Now, guys, LCM is what? Lowest common multiple, guys. So multiple means what? You have to take the factor of this number. So 20 into 3. So 20 is already there and 3 can be here. Now you will say, okay, Manish, I can take 6 also. So then take. Then you will get 120 LCM. Now if you would say, Manish, I can take S equal to here also 6. So take 6. You will get LCM more than 60 here. because guys LCM is always greater actually guys, and SCF is always lesser than that original number. This is common sense guys. Yes, this is what you need to understand. Now guys, read this question, Priyal. Very smart question. 25.
In Jim Corbett National Park, the residents are either rhinoceros or peacocks. When the heads are counted, it comes out to be 96. Heads are counted. And when the legs are counted, it is 336. Find the number of peacock in the park.
Yes. Now you know what? Some people will arrange a program. I will not mark this question. Never right.
We
You know
will
why?
try, na?
Okay, try then. 80 will never be the answer, guys. Do you know why? Because a rhinoceros has 4 legs and peacock has 2 legs. So total 6. And 6 cannot divide 80, guys. Let me tell you. So this is common sense. Now, guys, you know what? Some people, you know what? Some people will arrange a bigger program, include that poor girl. Tell poor girl, how will you solve this question? Poor girl. Tell. Shut your mouth now.
We will divide na 336 upon 6. We will remove the rhinoceros legs. 336 upon 4. 4 legs are there of rhinoceros.
See, Priyal, even I don't know that. I will not
94.
do that also. Now, okay, guys, you can solve this question. I'm not saying that. I'm saying, guys, how easily you can solve this, guys. Now, listen, guys, Mani's approach. This is Mani's world, guys. Now, listen. See, guys, question is asking number of peacock, and peacock has
47.
only 2 legs.
48
Guys,
answer, 48.
so guys, if I will take guys 72 peacocks, suppose that. So guys, so what will be the left for the rhinoceros? Only 24, and 24 has only 4 legs. So it will come how much? Only
4, 4, 16,
96 only.
96.
But we have to go this much. So it means 72 is not possible. Now guys, suppose that if I am taking 24. So 24 is peacock. So total legs will be
48.
48. Now 72 will be rhinoceros. So total leg will be. Now count total will be 3. It means answer is 24 only. See, I have taken the option help, guys. Here, this is what I'm saying, guys. Now last 2 questions, guys. Read this question, Priya. 30 number.
A question is being followed. A
Read
question.
from here.
Question.
What is the remainder when the positive integer n is divided by 14? When n is divided by 28, the remainder is 20. When n is divided by 7, the remainder is 6.
Guys, can you solve this question, guys? Remainder question I told you. Number of question of remainder. You're audible, Priya. Tell Bhagya, how will you solve?
See difference in